Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the show on this Wednesday, the 9th of December, 2020. Thank you for tuning in. Now, let's turn on the charts right here and take a look at what's going on. Poland and Hungary have accepted the German proposal on the $2.2 trillion worth of EU stimulus. So here we go, boys. Another $2.2 trillion, not of US dollars, but of euros. That's about $3 trillion of US dollars. It's a lot of money being pumped into the system right now. This is never going to stop. The United States is talking about 900 billion more. That's just a hors d'oeuvre compared to what's coming. Yeah, they'll pass that, but they're going to need another one really soon. As we see what happens in the 20th of January, when Yellen gets together with the Fed chairman, what'll happen is they're going to create a money vortex. And how this works is you've got the lender of last resort and you get the borrower of last resort merged. And so they can create a loop, like a loop of money. It just goes zing, 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 and it's like a lawnmower when you start a lawnmower blade up. The lawnmower spins, really fast, and money's going to spurt out in every different direction. It's like a sprinkler of money. Not really money, but currency. It's like a sprinkler of currency, and then they're going to put in this central bank digital currency and be able to just pump it out every which way. This is also going to train people how to use cryptocurrencies because it's going to be on their phone. Everything's going to be on your phone at first. This is the first part of this. Everything's going to be on your phone. Later, it's probably going to move into some sort of a little chip, be on the chip. But at first, it's going to all be on your phone, and it's going to be your money's on it going to be on your phone. Your proof that you've been vaccinated will be on your phone. Everything will be on your phone. You won't be able to do anything without your phone. So for a person out there that don't have a phone, it's going to be a rough go. But almost everybody has a phone. And as these 5G networks get in place, and I know a lot of people cringe to hear that, but it's coming. All of this stuff is coming. It's coming, and we're moving into this, I don't know what you want to call it, but they're not going to let all these people starve. I was talking yesterday about how these people are going to start. Yes, they are going to start, because between now and the end of January, you're going to see cryptocurrency prices, gold and silver prices, be under pressure to the downside. But once that money printer starts going, next year, if you haven't got in, you're going to miss the boat. Because infinity is how high cryptos can go. And gold and silver is going to catch a bid like you've never seen them catch a bid before. So yeah, you can still get in if you want to wait until next March or April or May or June or July, whatever, to get in. You can still get in, but you're going to pay a lot more. An awful lot more. It's going to be an awful lot more hard to allocate real physical metals. And the people that have them aren't going to be letting go. They're going to be hanging on because they're going to be watching it go up and up and up. Ultimately, it's going to be the same way for all three of these asset classes, crypto, gold, and silver. But I think crypto now is pointing toward crypto catching the biggest bid. But it's all going to do good, And so if you're a person that's really against crypto and never going to touch the stuff, you're going to do good. You're going to do good with gold and silver. But if you're in crypto, I think you're going to make the biggest gains, Let's take a look right here at the gold price today, 1842, and it's dropping today. Like I told you, it's under pressure. Dollar's going up. They're printing euros like crazy. This is making the dollar go up. 2.2 trillion new euros. Dollar goes up. Gold goes down, And these fools that are into the dollar and they can't see what's coming. They're still thinking deflation. when it's absolutely confirmed it's not going to be deflation, when it's obvious to everybody this thing is going to inflate to infinity, the economy might not come back, but doesn't matter. They're just going to run the printers and UBI and central bank digital currencies, which is going to teach people how to use crypto. I'm telling you, you got to be in these alternative asset classes, because your wages are not going to keep up with this inflation when this inflation really gets going. And you're going to find it, the food prices are going to go so high so fast that unless you're in these alternative asset classes, you're probably going to have to use some of them to buy food and stuff with. Sell some to if you've got these alternative asset classes, just to survive through this. This is going to be worldwide hyperinflation. You know what? I'll tell you what. When somebody's drowning on a ship or something, they throw them a life preserver. And they grab a hold of it and to keep from drowning. It's the same way here with gold, silver, and crypto. Gold, silver, and crypto's the life preserver. And they're like 3 life preservers. The main life preserver I think they're going to use is going to be the crypto. It's because it fits in with the modern age, of advanced internet trading and things, And it's hard to allocate gold and silver, to real physical. And everybody knows that the alternative to that, the GLD, SLV, is connected to the dollar. They're going to be settled in dollars. And people are going to want to be into these alternative asset classes, gold, silver, and crypto. And so the quickest and easiest one for them to move into in this technical age and allocate is Bitcoin and the other cryptos, So they're going to go into that really heavy. That's what's coming. Let's take a look now at the crypto price, and we've seen a fall off. It was like 566 billion. Now it's 542. But this is just a little price correction. And it's still bullish, very bullish. 18,380 for crypto. The stock market's down 38 points, but that's because the stimulus right now, the effect, let's call it the stimulus effect, that big stimulus in March, stock market went up, to 30,000, and it was down like 18,000. That's what that stimulus did, but it's peaking now. It's just like when you throw a ball up into the air, it has a top of that arch where it reaches the peak and then it starts to fall off. That's what the market's doing right now. It's peaking from the stimulus. So there's hopes of 900 billion more to come. And that'll pump the market up a little bit higher if they can get it in there quick at 900 billion. But that's just an hors d'oeuvre for what's coming. The big stimulus. Crude oil, 45.38. Now, the MOVE index today, it's up a little bit, but it's leveling off a little bit now. It took a little bounce up. We're at 49.10 on the MOVE index. Got to keep our eye on that. Bonds and rates, we're looking at rising bond yields today. They're not going to let these bond yields run away. They're going to try to keep the U.S. 10-year around 0.75. It's at 0.94 right now. I don't think they're going to let it go over 1%. The U.S. 30-year right now is at 1.69, and I think they want to keep it around 1.5. And they're up 3 basis points today. They'll come in and they'll do yield curve control if they have to. Okay, I don't know. That's what it says. Anyway, okay, U.S. dollar index. I'm going to tell you guys what. Okay, U.S. dollar index today, 91.01. Poland and Hungary have accepted the German proposal on 2.2 trillion in EU stimulus. This is actually big news. And the inflation train's coming, guys. You got to get on with gold, silver, and cryptos. We'll catch you guys in the next show. Listen, you guys have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.